Welcome back. Now within the layout menu, there is what's called the Arrange tab, and you'll see that come available to you when you place an image in your document and you're trying to arrange the text around that image. So right now what we're going to do is we're going to place our cursor at the second paragraph and we're going to insert an image. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to the insert command. We're then going to get an online picture. We're then going to use one of these images. And we're going to choose one that goes here. We're then going to click Insert. Now what you're going to notice is that the Arrange tab then becomes available to us. So one of the first things we're going to do is we're going to size down this image to the level that we think is most appropriate. And then what we're going to do is we're going to position the text around the image in the way that we want. And so to do that, we can first use the Wrap Text button. And we can choose the way that we want the text to appear. And every time we hover over one, we're going to get a preview. As you can see that here. So what we're going to do is we're going to choose this component. We can also do is we can position the image. And we can do that with a preview showing us what each choice is going to give us. Now it assumes that we actually have the inline with text component activated. So assuming that we have the right component activated, we're then going to click this one and you'll see now that our image appears here. If for some reason we need to rotate that image, we can do that. And again, you can see a preview as you do it. And you can also use the other tools that are going to be available to you. And of course, what you're going to do if you want to move on outside of this image, when you click your cursor in this area, you're going to be taken back to the home menu. If you then want to go back to the layout menu, you can do that. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.